Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, you know that this job isn't just about creativity. It's also a business, and a huge part of running a successful business is managing your finances wisely. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is super important, but often overlooked: how to save money as an influencer. When you're starting out, it feels like you need to spend a ton to make it big. The best camera, the trendiest outfits, the most exotic travel destinations. But trust me, you can create amazing content and grow your audience without breaking the bank. In fact, being smart with your money from day one is what will set you up for long-term success. So, grab a notebook, and let's get into some practical, game-changing tips to help you save money while building your dream career. First up, let's talk about equipment. This is where so many creators feel pressured to spend thousands. You see your favorite YouTuber with a super fancy camera and think you need the exact same one. But here's the secret: you probably don't. Modern smartphones have incredible cameras that are more than capable of producing high-quality video and photos, especially for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Before you invest in an expensive DSLR, master the tool you already have in your pocket. Learn about lighting, composition, and editing on your phone. Good lighting is often more important than the camera itself. A simple ring light or a set of affordable softbox lights can dramatically improve your video quality. You can even use natural light from a window for free. The key is to focus on the quality of your content, not the price tag of your gear. When you do decide to upgrade, buy used or refurbished equipment. Websites like B&H Photo and Adorama have great used sections where you can find professional gear in excellent condition for a fraction of the price. Don't go into debt for gear. Let your content pay for its own upgrades over time. Next, let's tackle a big one: fashion and beauty. If you're in the lifestyle, fashion, or beauty niche, the pressure to constantly have new stuff is real. But buying new outfits for every single post is not sustainable. This is where you need to get creative. Start by shopping your own closet. Challenge yourself to restyle pieces you already own in new and interesting ways. Your audience will actually appreciate seeing how versatile your clothes can be. This is relatable content. When you do need something new, consider thrifting or second-hand shopping. You can find unique, high-quality pieces for a fraction of the retail price. It's also better for the environment, which is a great message to share with your audience. Another fantastic option is clothing rental services. For a monthly fee, you can have a rotating closet of designer and trendy items. This is perfect for special events or creating a variety of looks without the commitment of buying. And finally, don't be afraid to collaborate with smaller, up-and-coming brands. They might not have a big budget to pay you, but many are happy to provide free products in exchange for content. This is a win-win. You get new items to feature, and they get exposure. Now, let's talk about software and subscriptions. Those monthly fees can add up faster than you think. From editing software to scheduling tools to stock music sites, it's easy to end up with a dozen subscriptions that are quietly draining your bank account. The first step is to do a subscription audit. Go through your bank statements and list every single recurring payment. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Is it essential for my business? If the answer is no, cancel it. For the essentials, look for free alternatives. There are amazing free video editing tools like DaVinci Resolve and CapCut that offer professional-level features. Canva has a fantastic free version for creating stunning graphics, thumbnails, and media kits. For music, YouTube has its own audio library with a huge selection of free tracks and sound effects you can use without worrying about copyright strikes. Instead of paying for a fancy project management tool, you can use free options like Trello or even a simple Google Sheet to plan your content. Be resourceful. Only pay for a tool if you've tried the free alternatives and are absolutely certain the paid version will provide a significant return on investment. Another major expense, especially for travel creators, is location. Creating epic travel content doesn't always mean flying to the other side of the world. Become a tourist in your own city or region. Explore local parks, cool cafes, unique architecture, and hidden gems. You'd be surprised at how many amazing content opportunities are right in your backyard. This not only saves you a ton of money on flights and accommodation, but also helps you connect with your local community and audience. When you do travel, be smart about it. Use tools like Google Flights and Skyscanner to find the best deals. Be flexible with your dates, and consider traveling in the off-season. Look for work exchange opportunities or house-sitting gigs that provide free accommodation in exchange for a few hours of work or taking care of a pet. And don't forget the power of collaboration. Pitch hotels and tour companies. Even if they don't pay you, they might offer a complimentary stay or experience in exchange for content. This can significantly reduce the cost of your trips. Let's discuss the nitty-gritty. Business finances. As an influencer, you are a business owner, and you need to think like one. The most important first step is to separate your personal and business finances. Open a separate bank account and credit card for all your creator-related income and expenses. This makes it so much easier to track your spending, manage your budget, and prepare for tax season. Yes, we have to talk about taxes. As a self-employed creator, you're responsible for tracking your income and paying your own taxes. This is where that separate business account comes in handy. Keep meticulous records of all your expenses, that new light, the software subscription, the gas you use to drive to a shoot. Many of these are tax-deductible business expenses, which means they can lower your taxable income, saving you money in the long run. It is highly recommended to consult with an accountant who specializes in working with creators or small business owners. They can help you understand what you can deduct and ensure you resetting aside enough money for your tax bill. Paying for good financial advice is an investment that will save you money and headaches down the line. Finally, let's talk about mindset. The fake it till you make it culture can be toxic. It encourages overspending to project an image of success that isn't real yet. Instead, embrace a mindset of build it till you make it. Be transparent and authentic with your audience. You don't need a Gucci bag to be a valuable creator. Your value comes from your unique perspective, your creativity, and the community you build. Focus on creating a sustainable business. This means reinvesting a portion of your earnings back into your business, but doing so wisely. Create a budget and stick to it. Set clear financial goals. Do you want to save for a new camera? Set aside a certain amount from each paycheck. Do you want to go full-time? Figure out exactly how much you need to earn and save to make that leap. Being in control of your finances is incredibly empowering. It reduces stress and allows you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. So, to recap, start with the gear you have, get creative with fashion and beauty, audit your subscriptions for free alternatives, explore your local area, separate your business finances, and adopt a sustainable mindset. Being a successful influencer is a marathon, not a sprint. Building a strong financial foundation is what will give you the endurance to go the distance. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these tips were helpful and gave you some new ideas for managing your creator finances. If you have any other money-saving tips for influencers, please share them in the comments below. Let's help each other grow. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.